Hello guys, today I'll be watching, what is it called? Ouija board spelling. Now, let me tell you how this works. On the comments down below, people are supposed to say Ouija board, but then they spell it wrong. And this guy here, he pronounces it by the way it was spelled. And it's really funny. So yeah, in the end of the video, I'll kind of tell you where to get it. So yeah, keep watching and enjoy. Okay.
What is a Ouija board? How do you make a Ouija board? How do you feel about Ouija board? How to Ojo board works? How we can do planned shit with us using Ouija board? Is it?
Wow, these people have worse spelling than I do. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. Like for me, I already have very bad spelling, but these people, yeah, don't know what to say. Okay then. Okay.
Is it dangerous to play Ouija board? Ouija board? My Ouija board is cussing me out. Is the Ouija board online fake or real? It's the Ouija I real thing.
How do people write that in the comments down below? Look, this is what they said. It's the Ouija I real game. You're supposed to say, is the Ouija board a real game? But no, they spell it wrong. Like completely, 100% wrong. So, yeah. This is not the only one, like other people spell like this too. So, you'll see, you'll see.
Game? How we can able to play a Ouija board? Ouija board or whatever? How do I find out if there's a ghost in my house without using a Ouija board? A Ouija board game? What happened? When I was a kid, I used to mess about with a quiche board.
A quiche board. A quiche board, guys. There's nowhere near a Ouija board. Wow. Wow. Well, I know it's not their fault, but are you kidding me? Quiche board. What are you talking about? Quiche board. Ouija board. It's a Ouija board, not a quiche board. It's a Ouija board. Oh my god, man. Who talks like this? Oh my god, man. Yeah. God, I have no idea why people write like this. So, yeah. Anyway, let's just carry on.
Ouija board. Is that how you spell the evil game thing?
Ouija board. I know. I just feel it's gonna say that's 100% correct. I just feel it. Because like, wow, 100% correct, isn't it, guys? Ouija board. 100% correct, right? 100% correct. God.
Ouija board. Nailed it. Luigi board? The Luigi board? Making a Luigi board? Have you played the Luigi board? Have you heard a Luigi board? What is a Luigi board? My friends did a Luigi board and it mentioned me. How do Luigi boards work? Are Luigi boards dangerous if you ask something about ghosts? What's up with the Luigi board game? Is it creepy or what? Is it possible to die for playing this game? Oh, help Ouija! Do Ouija boards actually work? Ouija board experiences? Helpfuls. Ouija board. Ouija board. Helpfuls? Pulls help. Ouija board. Ouija board. Pulls help. Helpfuls. Ouija board. Ouija board. Helpfuls. How to use Ouija board? And is it real? Do Ouija board really work? And if so, what happens? Where do I obtain a Ouija board? Do I have to make my own wedgies, or can I buy one from a witch or vegan?
A vegan. Wow. I'll imagine you go to a vegan and say, I'd like to buy a Ouija board. Can you pass it to me? Just imagine a Ouija board from a vegan. My money's blown, you know? God, I never knew you can buy a Ouija board from a vegan. Yeah, I never knew that. Yeah, I'm gonna try that out actually in another video. Let's do that in another video, shall we?
Ghost! 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 Serious question mark.
That's how I actually, wait, what? Okay, that's how I actually, like, if I hear any creepy noises, I'm like, ghost, ghost, ghost. That's exactly how, yeah, I work, so, yeah. I don't walk like that. Well, I act like that, so. Anyway, so I hope you have a great day, and, oh, I forgot to tell you, to get this video, if you want to watch it yourself, please type in Ouija board spelling and you'll get it. There's also a different video he made. I would just want to watch it in a different video. So it's just bye, you know? Bye! Bye.